Another positioning is called fixed. Fixed uses the web page or the area where your web page is displayed as the start coordinates. For instance, if you set a fixed item in the center, it will stay in the center. Even if you scroll your website downwards or upwards, it will stay in the center where your web page is displayed. And I will show you this also by adding it to the example.
Hello YouTubers, I've got a special action for you. You can now get 25% off on every subscription on my platform. So you just go to CSS.nl, select the subscription that fits you best and then fill in this promotional code. YTube 2022 and you get 25% off, which means that you can already subscribe for $7.50 per month, and then you can follow 2 courses learning how to build your own website or start learning programming in PHP and JavaScript. Subscribe now, go to CSS.nl and create your account. I hope to see you there. Good luck.